Dear students, today our topic is ketones. As we have read about the different functional groups, that is haloalkanes or halo group. Second was alcohols. Third, aldehydes. Now it is the ketones, ketone group or ketones. Ketones are the carbon compounds containing the ketone group, which is represented by CO, or we can represent it also just like this double bond O. This is ketone group. We can represent it by CO, or we can represent it C bond and double bond O. It is the property of this ketone group that it gets attached to the carbon chain in the middle. This ketone group, it gets always attached to the carbon chain in the middle. इसका मतलब क्या है कि ये जो कीटोन ग्रुप है, अगर हम कोई भी अल्केन लेते हैं, कोई भी अल्केन हम लेंगे, अगर हमें रिप्लेस करना है, इफ़ वी हैव टू रिप्लेस वन ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन एटम एंड insert this ketone group, it doesn't gets attached at the end, this end or this end, but it always strikes in the middle of the chain. It will attach here or here or that is, this is the property of ketone group, that it gets always attached to the chain in the middle of the chain. It gets attached to the carbon compounds. Yeah, it is gets attached to the alkanes in the middle. So ketone, it has the property that ketone group, it contains at least 3 carbon atoms on its sides, just like this. This is one bond, this is second bond, and this is third bond. That it must have, ketone group must have 3 carbon atoms attached to it. It must have 3 carbon atoms attached to it. The simplest ketone, let us take the simplest ketone. For example, its formula is CH3COCH3. This is propanone or stone. Its common name is stone. Because if we take methane and attach a ketone group, methane, its formula will be CH4. Therefore, it will not form the ketones because ketones get attached in the middle. If we take the formula of ethane, C2H6, it will also not form a ketone because on this side CH3 it will get attached on the sides. Therefore, it is not formed. The simplest ketone which is formed is from the propane, and the formula of the ketone which is formed by the propane, that is propanone. Its formula is CH3COCH3. Or the ketones, they have the general formula. They are represented by the formula CnH2nO, where N is the number of carbon atoms. On the basis of this formula, we can form the ketones. If we form the first ketone, because it is on the basis of this first carbon atom, it is not formed. Second carbon atom, it is not formed. Third carbon atom, the first ketone is formed from the C3. कार्बन नंबर जब 3 हम लेंगे तब हमें पहला कीटोन बनता है. अगर हम प्रोपेन की फार्मूला लेंगे CH3 C double bond O and CH3, this is the first ketone which is formed, and its formula will be CH3 C double bond O and CH3. If we compile this फार्मूला, अगर हम इसको कंपाइल करेंगे, हम देखेंगे इसमें कितने कार्बन एटम्स हैं, 1 2 and 3 हाइड्रोजन एटम्स, 3 + 3 6, और ऑक्सीजन कितना है, 1. दैट विल बी द फार्मूला ऑफ दिस प्रोपेनून. व्हाट विल बी इट्स फार्मूला, C3H6 and O, and its structure will be just like this: CH3 single bond, C double bond O, and CH3. What is this? This is the ketone group. This is the ketone group. And on the basis of this formula, we can form the second. If we take the carbon number C4, and for what is the general formula of ketone? NH2NO. On the basis of this formula, what will be the number of carbon atoms? C4H2 into 4O. That will be C4H8. This will be the formula of the second ketone. And if we give the structure of this, first we have to represent 4 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we have to represent the ketone group. Either we will represent it here or take it here. Then we will adjust the valency of carbon. 1 CH3, 1 2 3 4, इसके एडजस्ट हो गया 1 2, इधर 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम्स आएंगे, यहाँ 1 है, यहाँ कम 3 है. This will be the formula. This will be the structure of second ketone, that is butanone. Butanone. And on the basis of this formula, we can form many ketones. We can form many ketones and give the structure of those. If we take another, for example, C5, what will be according to formula? 5 into 2, 10 O. And we can give its structure C1, 2, 3, 4, 5. फिर किसी जगह कीटोन ग्रुप, फिर इसकी वैलेंसी एडजस्ट करेंगे. 3 और 1 4, 1 2 3 4 कार्बन की होगी, 1 2, अब 2 कम है, 2 इधर कम है, 3 इधर कम है. दिस विल बी द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पेंटेनून. How we name these compounds? These are the formulas of the compounds of ketone series, and how we name these compounds. For naming these compounds, we have to replace E of the parent compound from which we have to attach the ketone. To which parent compound we have to attach the ketone group, we will replace E, and in case of E, we have to add ONE. For example, we have taken this is the first ketone, which is formed from propane. We have to remove E of the propane, and in place of E, we have to insert PROPAONE. That is propanone. What will be its name? Propanone. Just like butane, we have inserted, in case of butane, we have inserted this ketone group. This is 4 carbon atoms, this is butane, and if we have to attach it to the ketone group, then the name of the compound, that is butane, we have to replace E of the butane, and in case of E, we have to attach ONE, and its name will be butanone. Another ketone, that is pentanone. Pentane is the parent compound, and we have attached a ketone group, so its name will be pentanone. And hexane is the parent compound, we have attached a ketone group, so its name will be hexanone. This is how we can give the name of the compounds IUPAC name. But there are another names, that is common names. The first compound, first member of the series, that is propanone. Propanone, its common name is acetone. And propanone is IUPAC name. Second compound is, that is butanone. IUPAC name is butanone, and its common name is ethyl methyl ketone. This is the ketone group, C double bond O, and this is the formula of ethyl, CH2 and CH3. If we assemble it, its formula will be C2H5. That is the formula of ethyl. That means on one side of the ketone there is ethyl, and on the other side there is methyl, CH3, and then it is ketone. Now its common name will be ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone. Let us take another compound, that is pentanone. Pentanone. This is the IUPAC name, and its common name will be, this is the methyl group which is attached, and then another group, this is 1 2 3, that is 3 carbon atoms, C3. How many hydrogens? 2 4 4 plus 3 हो गए 7, and this is the formula of propyl. This is the formula of propyl. Therefore the name of the common name of the compound will be methyl propyl. बीच में है कीटोन, कीटोन, methyl propyl ketone. This is all about the naming of the compounds. The another group, functional group, which we have to read about is carboxylic acids. Common name of this is methyl propyl ketonone. And when we give the common names, we have to name the alkyl groups alphabetically. For example, this is ethyl and methyl. We can also have written just like this: methyl, ethyl, ketone. But this is wrong, because we have to place these alkyl groups alphabetically. The first letter, that is E, it comes first, then M. So its name will be ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone. Common name of this compound, that is butanone. That is butanone. And just like this pentanone, its name is methyl propyl ketone. We can also have written it just like propyl methyl ketone, but that is wrong, because M comes first before P. So we can write methyl propyl ketone. Methyl propyl ketone.